In today's fast-paced digital economy, AI is transforming the way entrepreneurs and creators sell their digital products online. Platforms like Etsy, known for handmade and vintage items, have also become a thriving hub for digital downloads. Whether you're selling digital art, printables, templates, or patterns, leveraging AI tools can enhance your creativity, productivity, and profits. This video will walk you through how to use AI to sell digital products on Etsy, focusing on strategies, specific AI tools, and proven tactics to succeed. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into AI and e-commerce strategies. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing your digital product. The first step in selling digital products is deciding what kind of product you want to sell. Digital products can be anything from digital art, printables, and ebooks to templates for social media, resumes, or planners. In this video, we'll use digital art as our main example. Digital art is a popular product category on Etsy because it's easy for buyers to download and print at home or through a local service. It's a versatile product that can range from minimalist designs to intricate illustrations. To make your product stand out, consider focusing on a specific theme or style that speaks to a certain audience, like minimalist designs or bold abstract art. Step 2. Creating your digital product using AI. Now that you've chosen your product type, the next step is creating it. Traditionally, creating digital products requires design expertise, but AI tools can help speed up the process and ensure your designs are professional and eye-catching. Let's say you want to create a collection of abstract digital art that can be printed as wall decor. You can use AI design tools like Midjourney or DALL-E to generate creative artwork based on your prompts. For example, you could input a prompt like modern abstract floral design or minimalist black and white line art, and the AI will create unique pieces of art that you can then sell. If you prefer to have more control, tools like Canva or Photoshop offer design templates and elements that can help you create original digital art. Step 3. Packaging your digital art for Etsy. Once your digital art is created, it's time to package it for Etsy. This involves not only preparing the digital files, but also presenting your product in a way that attracts buyers. File formats and quality. When selling digital art, ensure that your files are high resolution and in formats that are easy for customers to use. The most common file types are JPEG and PNG, which can be easily printed by your buyers. Creating mock-ups. To attract buyers, create mock-ups that show your digital art in real-life settings, like a living room or office. Tools like Smart Mockups or Placeit help you generate professional images that visualize your artwork framed and displayed. Step 4. Listing your digital product on Etsy. Now that your product is ready, it's time to list it on Etsy. A well-optimized Etsy listing is key to making sure your digital products are seen by potential buyers. This involves writing a compelling title, description, and tags, as well as setting the right price. Writing a clear title and description for your title, make sure to use keywords that are relevant to both the product and what buyers are searching for. If you're selling digital art, include terms like printable art, abstract wall decor, and modern minimalist art. For example, a good title could be Printable Abstract Wall Art, Modern Minimalist Art for Instant Download, Digital Artwork for Home Decor. The description should clearly explain what buyers are getting. For digital art, mention the file format, for example, JPEG, PNG, the size options, and how they can print and use the files. A sample description might look like this. This set of 3 printable abstract wall art pieces is perfect for adding a modern touch to your home or office. Instantly downloadable in high-resolution JPEG files. These designs can be printed in sizes up to 18x 24 inches. Just download, print, and frame. Step 5. Pricing your digital product. Pricing is one of the trickiest aspects of selling digital products. You want to find a balance between being competitive and ensuring your hard work pays off. Look at what similar digital products are selling for on Etsy and decide on a price based on the complexity and uniqueness of your work. For digital art, prices typically range from $5 to $20 per design, depending on factors like size, style, and how much customization is available. You could also offer a bundled deal where customers can purchase multiple pieces of digital art at a discounted rate. For example, selling 3 prints for $15 instead of $7 each encourages buyers to spend more, while still feeling like they're getting a deal. Step 6. Promoting your digital product. Now that your digital product is listed, the next step is getting it in front of the right audience. Etsy is a marketplace, but you still need to do your own promotion to drive traffic to your listings. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are ideal for promoting visual products like digital art. On Instagram, you can post lifestyle images of your digital art in mock-up settings and use relevant hashtags like #printable-art, #wall-decor, and #home-decor. Similarly, Pinterest is great for showcasing your designs in home decor boards to attract users searching for inspiration. Step 7. Optimizing your listings for Etsy search. Etsy is a search-based platform, so it's essential to optimize your listings for Etsy's search algorithm. This is where SEO, search engine optimization, comes in. Make sure to use keywords in your title, description, and tags that buyers are likely to search for. If you're selling abstract digital art, some relevant keywords might include printable wall art, modern art, minimalist decor, digital download art. Use these keywords naturally throughout your listing to ensure your product appears in search results when potential buyers are looking for something similar. Conclusion: selling digital products like digital art on Etsy can be an incredibly rewarding business, offering passive income with low upfront costs. While we've focused on digital art as an example, the process we've outlined applies to any digital product, whether you're selling printables, templates, or patterns. AI tools make the process faster and more efficient, from creating your designs to optimizing your listings and promoting your products. With a little strategy and creativity, you can build a successful business selling digital products on Etsy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on using AI to grow your e-commerce business and selling digital products online.